Good morning, everyone. This tutorial is based on this Medium article, and you'll find the link to the article in the notes of the video. Basically, the goal of this tutorial is to make you experience Web3 and understand why this is the internet of the future. And the most important thing to get at the beginning is that this is gonna be based in a safe environment, which is the Ropsten test network. And what does it mean? It means that no real money is involved in the tutorial. So basically, you're gonna experience Ethereum via test network. So using a kind of a fake version of Ethereum. This tutorial will be based in 5 parts. The YouTube tutorial is going to be based on 5 parts, but to better understand what you're doing and what are the actual implications of this tutorial, I advise you to follow along with the Medium article. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
So after clicking the link that you find on Medium, you should be able to install the Metamask extension to Chrome. So when it's completely downloaded, this page shows up. You have to follow the procedure, create a new wallet if you don't already have one by clicking create a wallet, agree on the terms, create a new password for the wallet, and then here's a video that is gonna guide you through the security mechanism. You should watch it. And basically here is the secret recovery phrase should always be kept private, and that's why the video is blurred in this phase, because I don't want to show you my private key, because basically it gives you access to the entire wallet, and that's not good. And here we are, you set your MetaMask wallet, and then in the next phase we're gonna move it to Ropsten. So right now your wallet is still set to Ethereum mainnet. Right now we're gonna switch it to Ropsten test network, which basically means that you're gonna use the fake version of Ethereum, so you're gonna not use real money. Okay, so let's open up the MetaMask extension on your browser, then click on the top right, go to settings, go to advanced, and then enable the option show test networks. So right now you can click on Ethereum mainnet and go to Ropsten test network. Right now you don't have any hits, so we have to go and get them. Copy your account into this link that you find on Medium. Copy the address and click on give me Ropsten hit. This is gonna basically give you Ropsten hit for free. As you can see, right now we still have 0 ETH because in blockchain the transactions are not instantaneous. We have to wait a few seconds. So we can go back to the page and open the transaction. So basically, you see that it's still pending, and okay, yeah, it shows success. So right now you should be able to see it in your account. So the next step of the tutorial, in order to understand how Web3 identity works, is going to basically assign you a name, and this is going to be done via the ENS protocol, also called Ethereum Name Service Protocol. So from the ENS web homepage, click Go to App on the top right, click Next, and connect. In order to connect your MetaMask wallet, then you have to type in a name that you want to get yourself. I chose Enrico B. And here you can see it's available because of the green line on the left. And I'll register it for like 5 year, it doesn't really matter right now because we are playing with fake ether. Click request to register, and right now basically you're gonna make a transaction. And what you can see here is that there's a gas fee, and basically the gas fee is what is needed to run a transaction. Basically, you have to pay gas to make the computers, the validators, to actually check if the transaction is valid. And that's why it's not instantaneous, but it takes a while to get confirmed. So when step 1 is over, let's wait to step 1 to complete. Okay, so when it's ready, let's click register to move to the third step, and let's click confirm to complete another transaction. Again, it's gonna take a while because validators are actually checking if the transaction is valid. And when it's ready, you have to click set as primary NS name, choose your name from the menu and click save. Run another transaction to confirm this process. The transaction is still gonna be pending for a while. And here we are. Here you can see your primary NS name set. So the next action you're gonna perform is to transfer tokens to other account just by inputting their ENS name. Okay, so let's open our Metamask extension as always. Now you see your balance is 0.2 ETH. Let's send some ETH to someone else. Let's type in Vitalik, which is the Ethereum founder, and let's input how much ETH we want to transfer him. Let's say 0.115 ETH. Confirm the transaction. Again, there is a part of gas, which is the amount that you have to pay to validators to confirm your transaction. And here you can see the transaction is still pending. So actually you can open up, view the transaction on Block Explorer by clicking up on it. You see that right now it's still pending. It has been pending for 36 seconds. And we may try to refresh the page and see that right now it displays success, so we can go back and see that our amount decreased because we transferred 0.115 ETH to Vitalik. In the last part of the tutorial, we're gonna bring our identity around. So what does that mean? Basically, you see how easy it is to bring your asset and right now your ETH that are stored in your wallet and your name across different platforms without actually having to log in every time with a different username and a password. So let's click on Uniswap, open up Uniswap. I don't know why you need to change it manually to Ropsten. Next thing is to connect with your wallet. Click on Metamask, confirm, and basically here's the magic. So as you can see on the top right, it is able to display your ENS name, and also it is able to read how much ETH you have in your account. So you can decide to swap this ETH for DAI, but that's out of the purpose of this tutorial. But the main point here is to notice is how easy it is to connect with your wallet and basically bringing your identity, your asset, your name around platforms.